I'm an albatross. I'm an albatross.
Hello, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a combination block. So, as you can see we are in a place. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a door. There can be treasure in it. I have to find a way to open it up. But there is a combination for it. How can I open it? Can I open it just from here? No, it's from there. Oh man, I want the treasure. I want the treasure. So let's guess what is it. I think it will be. Oh, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. And clay here. It makes a sense. It's open. No treasure. It's a troll. Curse you! Hey, guys, do you want to know? So, do you want to know how to make that? Then you have came to the right place. First of all, you need any kind of block. Redstone repeater, redstone competitor, redstone lamp, chest, furnace, torch, redstone torch, any kind of stuff, and you also need an item frame. Yes, an item frame. So you might be thinking, what can we do with an item frame? We can do a heck of a lot of things with an item frame. So first I'm gonna do like this, and I'm gonna play like, and yeah, make sure that you have 2 blocks space and start on the third one, because then you'll have a very weird connection that you have to sort out. So yeah, please leave a like on this video. And make sure you subscribe. And this video was originally made by OMG Craft. And then you need a iron frame with it. Here it is. Iron frame, just any single thing with an inventory. Oh. And then I have to put comparators behind every one of this. So 2 and 3. Fair enough. And then we'll have to put any kind of stuff in the item frame. I'm gonna put a. Sorry for that. I'm gonna put an item frame. Oh. I'm gonna put like, we have to decide a combination. I'm gonna make it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that this corner is facing like that star. Hello, big sister. And then I'm gonna put like here campus and chest, because we don't even need them. And we have to put something like that can melt in it. So because the thing that only can melt in it fits in it. So la 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 la. And redstone all the way, redstone all the way, redstone, no, redstone. Excuse me, so can I put redstone here? Why not? Oh man. So blah 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 blah. It is very easy. So as you can see, this connection ends right here. So we'll dig it And then I'm gonna put a redstone torch right beneath it. Yeah, like that. Oh, sorry, not right. And then do it the same. 1, 2. Oh, it ends right here. So dig, 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 dig. I'm doing it in creative mode so I don't run out of items. Oh, this one had a big connection, man. And then put redstone beneath them. All the torches. Oh, grass is growing. Sorry, grass. So let me check my combination because I don't have a memory that much good. So, and then like it ends here, so leave one space and put a repeater. This ends here, so leave one, put a repeater. Oh, this one has one more. Sorry, my apologies. And yep. Leave one and repeater here. I made them long. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm not that accurate. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous because this is my first video. So please support this channel. So make it confirm, make it confirm. So as you can see, I dug all the way to right here. Oh. Boom. Okay, so you are now good to go. Now we have to join them all like that, like so. And then put a granite right here, a redstone torch, a lamp just to make sure. Oh, we're done. So if any of these is in the wrong position, it won't work. It's pointing at a star. Where's the star? So it's daytime. And then put like that. Do behind that. And then redstone all the way, redstone all the way, and then build a small, but leave the space for the redstone to enter. As you can see, this door open and you can make a little map like this and a chest right here, so no one can. But people think, especially kids, think that they are very clever. They come like, oh, I can just dig a block and I can just touch it from here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe.